YouTube Vanced was never officially released for Android TV, but you can use its modern successor, ReVanced, to get an ad-free, premium-style YouTube experience on your Android TV or Google TV. Here's the clean, safe, step-by-step guide. First, check that your device actually runs Android TV or Google TV. This method works on Sony, TCL, Hisense, Chromecast with Google TV, and most Android-based smart TVs. Samsung and LG TVs won't work unless you use an external Android TV device. Next, you need to enable unknown sources so your TV can install apps outside the official store. On your TV, go to Settings, Apps, Special App Access, install unknown apps, and allow access for your file manager. Now download the required APKs on your phone or computer. ReVanced YouTube, TV version. MicroG, needed for Google login. Use a safe, verified community source. Never install random files. Transfer the APKs to your TV using Send Files to TV, a USB drive, or cloud storage through your file manager. Open the APKs on your TV, install MicroG first, then install ReVanced YouTube TV. Once installed, open ReVanced and sign in using MicroG. You'll now get features like ad-free playback, background listening, sponsor block, and cleaner navigation, all inside a YouTube interface designed for TV. Use responsibly, install safely, and enjoy an elevated YouTube experience on your Android TV.